Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, and today we'll be doing a chiffon cake. So the ingredients are, we're going to separate our eggs into bowls. It's 6 eggs, egg whites in one bowl and egg yolks in another. We have 3 cups of cake flour, 2 1/4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of oil, vanilla essence and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. We have 4 tablespoons of cocoa, and we have to do this section first because the mixture of the water and cocoa has to be cooled down before we actually put it in our cake. So it will be about 1 1/2 cup of water into our cocoa. I'm just going to stir that up so that all the lumps can come out. So you have to make sure that the cocoa mixture has to be a runny texture as well. This is just to enhance the chocolate flavor in the chocolate cake. You can add a teaspoon of coffee as well. Okay, that's done. So we're just going to put this aside for now and let that cool down. Okay, so you can start with whisking your egg whites, but I like to do that in the middle. So we're going to take our egg yolks and put this in a bowl. Okay, and just give this a stir. Add our sugar. Give this a stir. We're going to add a cup of oil into the mixture. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar into your egg whites and beat it until stiff. So our eggs are all stiff. We're going to sift our dry ingredients. The 3 cups of flour. The 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Teaspoons of baking powder. Put the weak ingredients into the dry. Now make sure that's cooled off. Our cocoa and coffee mixture into the we're going to preheat the oven on 180. Grease the pan. Make sure you put it evenly. We don't want the cake to stick on the pan. And this is is a nice trick to not have bubbles in your cake, so you're just gonna pound it like that. Come closer. See how bubbles just fade away. See? Okay. Try making it even as possible. Okay, so we're not going to go right up because you want your cake to rise and you want to give it space to rise. So yeah, that's how far as we'll go. I need to put this in the oven. Anyway, you'll know that your cake is baked thoroughly inside is to check it with a stick. It should come out clean. And let's go. So we're going to do our chocolate ganache. You'll take, okay, depending on how much chocolate you like. This is 1 slab of chocolate. I'm going to put it in the microwave for about a minute or so until just everything is melted. The chocolate is melted now, and we're going to add a half a tin of dessert cream. This is only if you melted 1 slab of chocolate, but if you melted 2 slabs, then you have to put the whole can of dessert cream in. But just do it in stages because you would want that good consistency. Like it shouldn't be too runny and it shouldn't be too thick. So our first layer is going to be caramel. You can just lay it up. And make sure you get all sides of the cake so when you cut through it, each piece has caramel. It's so fluffy and soft. Decorate it with some flake. You can choose whatever you want, to be honest. Some whispers. Try this. Okay. Super soft. That's how you make a chocolate chiffon cake. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.